Being a stay-at-home mom is a full-time job. And if you're a stay-at-home mom and you're looking for how you can actually earn an income, you are in the right video, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Ebys'Lady, and I'd like to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you the best stay-at-home mom jobs and businesses that you can actually start today and start making money. Here I talk about how you can actually make money on the internet or any other opportunities, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly help me, please subscribe to my channel so that anytime I post my videos, you'll be the first to get it. My returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Guys, let's dive into this video. It's very challenging that some mom are not even getting paid. And right now, because of the opportunities on the internet, you can get paid. Why you still take care of your children? Why you still take care of your husband? Why you still juggle with family stuffs? Right now, the internet space, creators economy, the gigs are always there for you to take part. You can also pursue your career. If you have skills that you are interested in doing, this opportunity is for you, guys. Now let's go. A lot of people don't actually know that they can actually make money from the comfort of their home as a stay-at-home mom. And number one business or jobs that you can actually start right now is content creation. People are doing content creation. We hear content creation, but how can you make money doing content creation? If you have any interest or any topic in health, in food, or anything that you know that you can actually express yourself through creating content, you can start your YouTube channel. You can also start your blog by owning a website. This is actually making money for people, and they monetize their blog through Google AdSense, through sponsored ads, and through affiliate marketing. And this is what you can actually do, creating time for yourself. You understand? You arrange yourself on how you can actually do this. Maybe in the morning you go to work. No, in the morning you take care of your family, and during your own free time, you actually start doing your job. Number two is to create and sell digital content. Right now, digital content is making money for people. There are educational, you understand, digital content that you can actually create, like ebooks, online tutorials. You understand how to make money. People write this. People can also, you can also sell your services. If you're a copywriter, you can package all these things. If you are a personal trainer, coach and all that, you can package all the services that you have gathered for yourself and sell them online. There are different kinds of digital market space that you can actually put your projects for sale. Or you can actually use a social media, or you create a website where you can actually market this product. And one thing about all this online stuff, you're in your house and you expect somebody to come and knock on your house. If I don't let people know what I am doing, nobody's actually going to come to your house to patronize you. So you actually need to use all the leverages, all the platforms that you have to be able to market and promote yourself. And that is the only way that you can actually make money. You have to use all the marketing strategies that are available for you to be able to make money. And that brings me to number three. The number three kind of business or jobs that you can actually do online to make money as a stay-at-home mom is e-commerce business. And this is one of my best businesses that I am doing right now from the comfort of my home. E-commerce business is a buying and selling of products online. You can actually sell for people. If you don't have any products of yours or any brand of yours that you want to actually market, you can actually sell for people. If you have your brand, you can actually sell on different marketplaces like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace. You can also sell on Shopify. You can also sell on eBay or even Amazon. You put yourself on those platforms and look for products. You understand? Go and search for products that you can actually market. Unique products, especially because unique products actually make money for people. And if you don't actually want to stress yourself, you don't want to stress yourself by looking for products, you can actually look for drop shipping. Those drop shipping, you don't have inventory. Maybe you're worried that maybe you don't want to involve yourself in buying things, keeping in your home. Then you can actually start doing drop shipping. Drop shipping is whereby you market some products. When somebody wants that product, you now send it to the manufacturer or the marketer so that they can actually send it to the last person that wants to get that product. The next one is freelancing jobs. Freelancing jobs is actually making money for people today. And as a stay-at-home mom, you can actually stay in the comfort of your home and do your freelancing jobs. What am I trying to say? If you're good in writing, you can write articles, you can write publications, you can also write for, companies and brands. This is freelancing jobs. You can also, if you are good in with colors, you understand, graphic design, design logos, illustrators, and you can use Photoshop to actually design. You have these artistic skills to be able to bring something out, make colors beautiful. There are social media brands that need your services and you actually need to promote yourself. And if you're a website designer, you know all these coding things, you can actually put yourself. And there are platforms like Fiverr, we have Upwork, Google Jobs that are ready to promote, that you can use to, they use those platforms to be able to connect you with your clients. And they pay you. Some pay for per hour, some pay for per, depending on the agreement. So these are always making money for stay at home mom. Right now, we don't have any excuses that I don't have money. You understand? I am broke. When you start any of this business, market any of the one or the jobs, you are never going to get broke, at least to take care of yourself and the things surrounding you. And that leads me to another topic, another number that you can also offer: cooking classes. You know how to cook very well, you know how to teach and do online tutorials of teaching. You understand? This can actually make you money. You teach people or any craft, people teach people, you pay for those classes, virtual classes, how to cook, how to do different kinds of things. People teach how to make wig, how to make soap, any craft that you know that you can actually do. You understand? Position yourself, know the time, bring out your time and say, okay, let's say from 12 o'clock or from 1 hour or 2 hours, I am going to use this to create or do my classes for my clients, or for my customers as well. Anyhow you want to put that. And this is actually making money for people. And the next one is graphic design. This graphic design, you can actually do it on yourself, post it on your social media, market it on your social media, and show the designs that you have already created for people. And people use this, even put on print on demand, t-shirts, first cap, those prints on demand. You understand? Those graphic designs, people use all those things to, print different things like cups and all that. You promote those designs on your own platform inside the comfort of your home. People are always doing all of this to actually make money for themselves. And the next one is online coaching. Online coaching today is actually making money for people. People pay you per sections of what you have given to them. You're a professional and you need to have to be certified for you to be able to coach some people as well. People they don't know where to go on their careers. They need coaching on their businesses, how they can start their businesses, how they can move. People need coaches, you understand, on how to study. If you can actually do that for them, you can position yourself and put yourself in the necessary platforms that you can actually do, you understand, and make money for yourself. This is actually making money for people. People even do like online, training coach for fitness coaching. They tell you how to eat, how to diet, so that you can actually look good. If you are certified to do all of this, it's actually making money for people. Will I be able to tell you mostly many opportunities that you can actually take part? You can use your skills and make money. Then online tutoring is the next one. People right now, we have online classes, and these tutoring people, they use those leverages, you understand, platforms to connect with their clients. People teach subjects, they teach courses. People teach languages, English language, Spanish, chemistry, biology, and all that, depending on where you put yourself. And if you are a professional, you like to teach, you understand, you share your knowledge and use the opportunity to be able to make money. The next one is social media management. Social media management is something that you can actually do if you have the skills. You can manage people, manage their social media presence, help them market on their social media. You can present yourself and reach out to people that are in need of those social media, and content, social media management. You create content to them, you reply messages for them, you do so many things for them. Some people can't even handle their social media and they need experts, they need professionals who can actually help them to bring better results. Because social media now people use them to make money. And this is what you can actually do if you know that you can do that. You charge for anything that you want, any services that you want to give is money. And that leads me to also social media marketing. Many people want to run ads. Many people want to know how they can position themselves on the internet to be able to make money. And you can also teach people how to run ads, digital marketing, social media marketing. So put yourself in any of these niches and I tell you, you are never going to regret this. And the next one is virtual event planner. People are looking for people who can plan events, do administrative works for them online, plan workshops, people plan conferences, people plan webinar. And at the same time, you can also list this one lists me to, being doing going into rental business. To rent party, I will advise you to go into renting party events, party rentals and events, because people are looking for, this is one thing that you want to do only one day. So you need to rent some certain things to be able to like do your program. Going into event and party rentals are also good. So if you have a space in your home, you can actually, where you can keep those equipments. Then you don't have equipment, you can look for people that have equipment. And once you see customers that need some of the things, you can go there, and negotiate with the ones and have those things and they pay you for that. This is what people are doing. They buy equipment. If you cannot buy equipment, connect yourself, you understand, with those people that have those equipments. And when someone needs that, you go and bring them, negotiate, and get your own cut or commission. Understand? This is what people are doing to make money. You create time for yourself. You create time inside that your house. Of course, you're not going to pay for any space. You're already paying for your house, or some people even own their homes. So it's more easier for us to be able to like make money for ourselves. The next one that I want to talk about is remote customer service jobs. Remote customer service, if you know you have patience, you have good communication skills, that you can be able to chat with people, do their email, support a support box. You understand? To be able to take care of people's problem, people do calls and all that. You have to look for jobs that can either position you in the home, you understand, and you do it for people, be their customer service agents. You understand? Represent the customer to be able to answer questions from customers or clients that need their services or need their attention to be able to solve the problem. So you can actually position yourself to be able to do all of that. And the next one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, there are so many products and people are even looking for people that can market their products. And you have to, position yourself. You get a link of that particular product, you understand, particular product for you to market it. And once you now use the link to promote that product, you show people how that product is actually working. Anytime you are doing any affiliate marketing, make sure you have that product, guys, so that you can actually show people how this thing is actually working. And by the time you show to people, they use your link and buy, and you make commission depending on the percentage and the agreement that you had with the manufacturers or people that have that actual product. Guys, there's so much money to pick on the internet and from the comfort of your home. Many opportunities. So let's use our skills, understand, to be able to gather this money, guys. If you enjoy watching my videos, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you have watched up to this moment, guys, thank you. See you next time. It's your baby girl, Ebys'Lady on the beat. Subscribe, guys, please subscribe. Take me to 1,000, please. Bye bye.